Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. And this girl right next to me is Anderson. In today's video, we're doing how to tell us apart video. So yes, child.
Yes, anyways guys, don't forget to like,
comment and subscribe.
because then yazi ba umntu ngumntu ngabantu. So nathi singabantu ngani. So guys, anyways, let's just
go straight to the facts and who's, for Nani this is Uzandis and this is Andis.
So by the way, as at the beginning of the video. Anyways guys, as you guys know, good twins, there was always this round and always this one with the face.
So I have the more round face, the full face, and then my sister has the more smaller face.
Not smaller, but anyways, I do.
And anyways, and the other difference is my sister has, but when you say
this stringy over here. It's small, but anyways, it's I will never have makeup on, so you guys can actually see. But sometimes you guys will see that I have this thingy. Also have a beauty spot.
And I have a beauty spot here.
Yeah, so
I have beauty spot pa. And then what is the other difference?
Her eyes are more smaller
than mine, and then I'm more flatter here.
And then now you can see, but I'm not.
And then and then I have like the Chinese eyes. My eyes are more smaller than my sister's eyes. So yeah, so that's the difference. I feel like
weight wise, and I have the more chubby cheeks.
My sister has chubby cheeks and her cheeks are like lighter than her skin color. So yeah.
And other thing is, I think that's it.
And height wise, we like the same height with the same
just depends on the angle when feeling like when I think you're more like but anyways the same height and both with the same size too, body wise,
and with the same.
My mother just said you're more fatter than I am, so
I'm not chubby, yeah.
You're more chubby, child. I don't know.
There's nothing wrong with that, but like sometimes it depends. Sometimes my sister is more chubbier than me, and yeah, so it's not any chance my sister or I'm basically.
But anyways guys, if you got up until
this end
of this video, don't forget to like,
comment and subscribe,
because as always nani niyayazi bana umntu ngumntu ngabantu, so nathi singabantu ngani.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, so bring it back a video a banger.